What if I told you this single 1000 rupee note in your hand could make you a millionaire? No lottery, no shortcut, no magic trick, just time. Meet Arjun and Vikram, same college, same job, same salary, both saved 1000 rupees every month, but one small decision changed everything. Arjun planted his money every single month without fail. No new phone, no fancy trips, just discipline. Year 1, almost nothing. Year 2, still nothing. He almost gave up. This is exactly where most people stop. But Arjun did not stop. And then something unbelievable happened. Year 7, year 8, year 9, the money started growing on its own, without him doing anything extra. While he slept, while he ate, while he lived his normal life, his money was silently working. For him, this is compound interest, and it is the closest thing to magic that actually exists. Meanwhile, Vikram enjoyed every rupee. New phone every year, trips, restaurants, fun, and for a while, it felt great. But at 45, Vikram sat alone, pockets empty, bills piling up. He looked across and saw Arjun, completely free. No stress, no tension. It was not about how much they earned, it was about one decision, made years ago. Vikram reached into his pocket, pulled out his last 1000 rupees and planted it. The best time to start was 10 years ago. The second best time is right now. 1000 rupees a month, 12% returns, 20 years. Final amount 99 lakh 91,479 rupees. Not luck, not talent,